Hi friends, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video we are going to talk about how we can create this website. So the website is I have created. Now I'm going to make a backup and give you a couple of files which you will be moving to a new website or a new domain. So how will you do? So if the website backup you have got, you will get two files. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is the website, as you can see, and same website we are going to migrate or install on your own domain. So the file I have created with the help of duplicator, and as you can see, this is today's date in February 2024. The file size is 77.22 megabyte. So we have got two files, installer and archive. Now how we will do migrate these two websites and create the same website as you see here. So for that we need to do a couple of things. We need to first of all download these two files which I have already downloaded, and as you can see here you can find these two files. So these two files we are going to import on a new domain or a subdomain. You can do on a new domain or subdomain or localhost. Wherever you want, you can create the same website with the help of these two files. How? Let's get started. So I'm going to use for that purpose cPanel, and cPanel has got a couple of things which I'm going to show you. This is the NVMe hosting, which is better than SSD, 12 times better than SSD I'm using. I'm also providing web hosting if you need. The same web hosting you can get at a very low cost. Just contact me in a comment section and I will help you. There you will find so many useful options, not the same one like you used to use cPanel, the old version. This is a very latest version, brand new NVMe SSD, 12 times faster than the SSD version. And here you can find on the left hand side these menus like tools, site jet builder, WP toolkit, site quality monitoring, and WordPress managing by Softaculous. So Softaculous you will find here as well. Here you see the scripts, and in the under scripts you will see WordPress. So what we are going to do right now, because we have got two files, so we are going to create a database first of all. So how will we create? Let's see. We will go to database section, which is databases. In this section you are going to create databases or database wizard. So wizard will be much easier. We are going to click on it, and now you can create your database. For example, I'm going to give 5 letters or 6 letters. Like I'm going to give my website name, which is Era24 UK. So next step we need to delete any old login and passwords. That will not be conflicting. So username. Now username, you can give the same thing. I'm going to give era24 UK, so it will be much easier to remember your username and the login or username and database user. So the database name and database user, I'm just giving the same one. Password, you can just generate. Click on this button down there. Once you will generate and you are happy with that, just copy and tick this option that I have copied this password in a safe place. You can create a Word document or notepad, but I have already saved and I remember the username as well, which is era24 co underscore era24 UK, but you can copy that. But I'm going to show you first this thing, which is you can easily copy it and use this password. Once you have this, set it up, create user. Now the thing is how we are going to access or provide the privileges or permissions. So for the permissions, you can choose either one of them, but I will give the full permission to both of them, which is both are the same, like era24 co underscore era24 UK, era24 co underscore era24 UK. So I will give privileges. Password I have already saved, so make changes. Now both are connected to each other, and now we are going to import our website. Just leave it as it is. So we will go back to our tools. Here we will click open new tab. You are there right now. So what we're gonna do now, we are going to add these two files to our file manager. File manager, when you choose, this is your website domain or the section of your cPanel, and of this cPanel public HTML. Double click on it. Don't worry about it, just ignore this all because we have nothing to do with that. We are just going to upload in public HTML. We are going to upload these two files, those I showed you earlier. So here we have got our two. It is working on right now. I don't know why, but I download it, so it should show up. I'll get back to you once it is appearing. As you can see, now they are appearing. So I'm going to choose both of them by clicking shift button and then drop them to this section. So the files are uploading now. Once the both files are uploaded, you will see in the main domain where we are right now, era24.co.uk. I have removed my current website and I'm trying to show you how you can create a website or move a website to a main domain. So this is a main domain, and right now you don't see anything here, but I'm going to show you how it will work. So once they are all done, both of them 100%, now we are going to refresh here and then find them So here you go, this one, and the another one is installer PHP. So here what we need to write now, we have to write down installer and extension, don't forget, which is PHP, then give enter. So now the action has been started. As you can see, the action is empty database. We are going to provide our database. Okay, leave it like this. Localhost, database name, you remember I told you era 24 go underscore era 24 UK. The same thing you will be giving to user era 24 go underscore era 24 UK, and the password which you copied, I'm going to paste it now. I'm going to paste this password now. I'm going to show you as well the same password. I paste it. Now we are going to validate. Let's see. System is validation, and now after validation it will show you the results. Okay, as you can see, everything is good, clean. Some privileges are missing continuously. Okay, no need to worry about, because we have given all privileges to our database. So you just click I have read and accept all terms and condition or terms and notices. Next. So this is how it looks like, your installation settings and database. So if you are happy, because you are going to create this website or the backup website, you are going to create on era24.co.uk. This is a single site. So as you can see, this is a single site where you are going to install. This is your path of installation. The other information of databases I showed you when we were creating that. This is the extension or the server name, and this is your database name. This is database user, the same server name, database user, and the password you have already given or copy and pasted. Okay, now it is extracting archive files. So you will see here the progress. Now it is installing database. Please wait. So as you can see now, everything is successful. It will auto delete installer files and login to secure site recommended. So I'm just keeping check. I'm just checking the created tables, scan, updated. That's great. So admin login now. Before admin login now, because I'm on admin login, I'm going to show you, do we have the same website? So I'm just opening in a new tab, and if it is the same website like here, because I'm on another browser, I'm just going to show you if it is the same, then your transfer or migration or cloning is completed. So let's see on the another one. This one is on This is example one, and this is the one we are going to see. So as you can see on Era24 UK, we have got the same website. I'm so glad to show you that we have successfully achieved the goal. And now the same way you can also migrate or move or create a website on your main domain, and also subdomain whenever you need to do on subdomain. Just the procedure will be a little bit different. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any question or still there is any kind of problem, you can contact me via comment section or email, which is era24.era24uk@gmail.com. So anytime you are welcome. And if you need the same website or any kind of similar website, I have so many websites for sale, so you can contact me. I will provide you at a very low cost. So I want to make you happy. Please like my video if you see it is useful and beneficial for others and for yourself. Share this video, subscribe my channel, and I will be with my next video, bring you more stuff. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.